We're gonna go to Sordo. It's gonna be my first time in Sordo, pero doon namin kikitain sila. Doon ko kikitain si Daph and Kat while Bea does stuff. Ang tagal na ito. Done with my morning run. It's tiring. I only did 3 kilometers today kasi hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pupunta. I haven't ran in months. So, feeling ko valid na hindi pa ako at the level I was like 4 months ago. Just got ready. We're gonna go out and go to work. I just have a shoot that I need to attend to. Gas on the way. We're done. Have to go because I have dinner to catch. I'm gonna meet Taurus, Ben, and Chelsea for dinner. Then I might just treat them coffee because they really waited for me for like an hour. It took so long parking kasi walang ma-parkingan. The last time I went here, nawala ko yung parking card. So, kailangan ko siyang i-make sure na. Okay guys, let's go. Hi, Tao! For the shot.
May tattoo, nasa book na siya.
Wrong phone.
Wrong font? Hindi naman kasi dyan ko kinuha yan.
Mas funny na daw ako sa, sa tao.
Yes.
Payag ako. Libre mo yung amareta sa akin.
May bayad yung agreement.
We're gonna go to SM Mall of Asia because we have an event with AirAsia. It's their piso sale launch today. So we're gonna go check it out. Pasay is so confusing to me. Share ko lang, lagi ako nawawala kapag nag-drive ako dito sa Pasay. Like, I either end up in the airport or in MOA area. And sumasakto siya na I don't have to go to either of those. Like, kailangan ko pumuntang MOA, I will end up at the airport. Kailangan ko pumuntang airport, I will end up in MOA.
Don't manifest it.
I mean, one time I ended up in Alabang.
One time?
We're here na in Mall of Asia. Pero hindi naman alam kung saan yung music hall. We're back at the condo. We're gonna change outfit. I'm gonna change outfit before we go to Sausalito. I wanted to share all of the pieces that I got from Apple and Eve. Yung sinusuot ko ngayon, this is from Apple and Eve, like top and bottom. This is a polo. Ah, it's so cute. There's another polo. Pero with red. Oh, this is the parang asymmetrical top that I got. Because I also feel like this would be perfect for the office. Got a red top. This one's so cute. This one's a bit more formal. This one naman is an A-line midi skirt in a beige color. I do not wear a lot of beige, nor do I have a lot of beige in my closet. Kaya kumuha na ako from their collection. And yeah, those are everything that I got. Dito na kami sa Salcedo. We're gonna go to the Mercado Market pop-up. We're gonna go quick lang kasi after namin dito sa Salcedo, nag-text yung dad ko, kailangan daw namin pumunta ng Shangri-La. Let's go. We're gonna go to Shangri-La. It's like 20 minutes away. Dami ginawa today, ah.